Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Blessings, you don't know the thing. Today we have a next bad update. Some one bag of leakage. I know for your fact this a leakage. Silk Boss and Brii official sex tape plus other beef and leak voice notes.
Yeah, that's where you want guy. No, so you fuck yourself this morning and I talk to you. That's where you want guy ask. You don't want nobody talk to you. Yeah, every time when you get from my nerve and I say something to you, I make you know say I wrong you do. You vex and one guy, your blood clot, yeah. Because you don't want to take you right. You don't want to take you. You don't want to take it. You say my hand skinny, baby. You never know say when you go face you. When you face yourself. When you face your blood clot self. When you face yourself, you don't know. Bobby, let me go. You can't hear them. You see this morning, you know, like you not see what going on, brother. Yeah, they are fuck around, brother. But you done delete them already. So see you free. And then in the phone I go mash up. Because I'm bite, you know, go mash up.
I don't understand why you have here, so. Why you have here, so. If you say want to go home, you want to warm me. If something on my foot.
Yeah, brother. Don't ramp with man, brother. Don't play with man, brother. Yeah? Don't play with man, brother. Don't play with man. You say something out of your mouth, what? When I say a thing, when I say a thing them out of your mouth and disrespect, I'm not say nothing.
I say, no, I go home, you turn around yourself, and you come, and you squeeze my hand, you talk me up, and I
so I say you want to go, and I thump up. And that me a thump up. You know why me a thump up? You know, no.
Watch it, anything you see. Stop.
No, discipline.
Stop now, Bobby.
No, discipline. You want to play that. No, discipline. You can bite me, me fish in your eye. You know, discipline. Man, I talk to you and reel up on your back and say, up me mouth now, I'm a bossy pussy. Up me now. Up me.
Let me go back.
Comments.
I don't want to hear nothing out your mouth, brother. I don't want to hear nothing out your mouth. Yeah?
I'll go check up and kill me up there.
Dancing a job, man.
First me ever see this somebody said they want to guard me and you are
stop tell blood clot lie and that make me hear nothing.
What that me tell you right now some more?
Stop tell blood clot lie and that make me hear nothing.
Yeah, but me know me tell someone come here and be that tell us already. Yeah, you say mommy, me got me yard. They talk about look. Me left for something with them. So me left them there now. One got me yard. One next time we can come for them. Man, boss me
mention it. Mention me when go send. Mention me go send. Mention me when.
Yeah, Charlie, I don't.
Brother. I want to see me get cruel in our ear.
Brother.
Ear to talk chat fuck you.
Oh, me touch food from someone got me yard.
So what? Why you want guy yard? Because they want your fucking own. You don't want no time. Your family them no want no time for you. Because they tell me if you not make you come nowhere with them there. Your mother tell me that. Your brother tell me that, your sister-in-law tell me that, your cousin tell me that, said don't make your blood clot come. Brother,
I'm fine, thank you.
You see, if you come at town and then your mother hear them, lick you in your face. Now let me come at town, lick you in your face, brother. Anyhow, you fuck yourself, Brii. Turn up in your neck and tip up in your head, brother. You don't know me. Me can dare and have you as a woman and trustworthy and love and rate those but you go the blood clot. This man I say something out your mouth. What you call that? What you call that this morning? What fuck you call that this man? Pussy. What you call that this man? Box across the head side, brother. Brii, do not want go in yard because he want to link up with him cousin them. Brii, have someone if a man friend they invite him out a party, brother. I say to me, him can't go. What do you mean him catch up and he looking at me eye? Brother. Brother, go tell you a thing.
You can't have a girl.
You see me?
Oh,
I'm not run
me
so
not talk
with my
about
first
running down.
Coming to you.
Me just make you know that I make it be clear from before me carry God be me. You see when me tell myself that me love you and care for you, no run no joke with my love. Yeah? Yeah? You better no blood clot say it. You see rage on me in and you go get a bumbo clot backstage and you go look for me different. Remember say me tell you that you know?
So what you know what you want for? Why not?
People, wanna see for yourself, you see me? And you don't know other video they out they said way and we see and know Kobe ma cover up the because she left him at the other stage there. You see me? But we just there for sure what uno what are really are going, you see me? Just click the link in my bio, go over my Instagram and then you can see the video. You can post it, yes so. But otherwise from that Daima follow the topic on Tony Mataran, you see me? And mention say she get robbed, no highlight, etc. And you don't know we have a ear fair pointer story cause a two side, you see me?
Let me can't get it now, so make it go on.
You know, see, the diamond, but that's not show you have to be like them.
You understand?
You have to be like them, though, diamond.
But me just advise my opinion.
You know, see where Cargo. You know, see Cargo.
Listen, me respect him as a bigger brother, right? And him call me on my phone, and know man says a young youth, and him call me, which, me tell you Cosmic, a long time I there with young youth, to never public me thing yet. I want my never plug on my rasta. A long time I there with young youth, to ever never public a young youth.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? Him call me now as a bigger brother, and say, boy, hold on, my boss. Him call me as a bigger brother, and say to me, say, boy, them are rare, no young and rare, you know, and you know, when they're young and things get to them and expose and get like they with this year. Me answer me say, okay, then fine. You left go on a studio now back with me name. Another artist call me and say, boy, me a matter of a bun out here in a studio, you know, a foreign that you know studio, be a party in the studio there, you know. See, you say me on my phone now, call me, and me looking to me, say, me and say, matter of the talk about you, you know, because I give me the biggest, so me just get mad and go live and
yeah.
Yeah, man, Mataran know your wallet, man. Mataran career is based on you. Dirty Wine is what make Mataran.
You feel like you're selecting me every week. It's not selected. It's the song when do.
In Stone days, people remember him think one song.
Nobody not saying about for the selecting, but it's the song, because his song is a hit song.
If you ask one young youth right now, which song Mataran ever killed, them, would have said, we don't know. But what you know about Tony Mataran for? Dirty Wine.
And then when me show you know you use me. Every time I go find and me see, you never say, me I put it as low as that, you know. Sister, you want treasure, like pop back a suitcase going back. None of that.
Yeah.
None of that. One day you call me for one show, eventually promoter get corrupt. Me not go punish him. Me tell him man say, me tell him call me for the show. I mean, know what him a Mataran have. A Mataran say him nah bother go. And then man call me tell him man say Mataran nah bother come. Neither.
That man, I promote them sometimes, you know. Sometimes I them artists I tell the promoters, you know.
No, me no know what went good on between him and Mataran, but a Mataran is call me for the show. I never know what got on between him and them. But when the man call me back in the same night with Mataran, like him as a Mataran 2 days, so I'm telling him, say, alright, when I use Mataran, I'm not going to come because I'm Mataran first. Call me, because I saw it there. Cosmic.
Yeah.
Me general to prayer. You say, me your part, Cosmic, because you call me for one show. And then nobody want to use you, and then want to come here alone. Me nah, go, brother.
Yeah.
You want to know how big it is?
First, so me nah go.
Yeah.
You want to know how big it is? Go Guyana, you realize how big you is. Go Guyana.
No, hey, me know. Listen, me know say me big. Me know, you think me don't know? Me know. Me know about them a try stifle me. But I don't because me stand firm in the Gideon. Me stand firm, brother.
I real talk.
One time, scrappy of the world, you know. Scrappy of the world with all Dirty Friday, them and stuff. Them a watch it. Guyana, Europe, I watch all of Dirty Friday.
Instagram never come in with this. They said Instagram never come in with this live thing and them look to stop me. None of them dance say who the boss. Me now ask them, I tell them because back in the food days, they must see never popularized. So.
Then that me tell us that's why they stifle the dance to them. And the dance to them don't know their word.
Let me tell you something. You say one good thing. Let me tell you something. You say when one good thing I keep for you. Star and them people don't call you, but make a one fuck that one and stay fast and call.
You fuck them study. God no.
Alright, see when you get award. Why do you get award 2 rows in 1 week? I mean, never see nobody call me and put up here.
Because you know, respect on you know, respect on but you know, if you start stand up, you know. At time you want to get justice.
No, like we not stand up. We are alright. Me boss, 2 and 3 and 4 that's a can't stand up for them. It doesn't have to unite that stand up for them one another together.
Brother, Diamond, sister.
5 dance, I want to go 6 dance, I can't do that, do this. Everybody make up their mind and do it.
Look at more raga class. Raga,
All
raga,
right, let's
raga,
go.
look at more.
The class, I make no money, yeah.
Yeah, man. Me, man, respect, man.
All right, my boss.
Let's see, I go move. All right, then that are the thing now, you know. Oh,
Yeah, man, brother. Respect and much respect to and go and do nothing. Keep up the fight, brother, and just do nothing. No matter what I go on, brother. Keep motivating yourself and do what you do and be prosperous in yourself, brother.
respect.
Nobody now go do them now do nothing for no, have to do it for yourself. Respect, man.
Respect, my Dan. Respect. Next time again, you understand? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Cool, my Dan. So I don't know my people. You understand? Open on overs what go on when it come on to the skankers, the artists, them, the selectors, them. You understand? The promoters, them. It needs to change, you understand? And the skankers, them, yeah, them need to get benefit from what them do. You understand me? I say, so this is why we're there years upon the live, I do what we have to do on attack. Yeah, you understand? Big up Diamond.
More than benefit.
Cool, man.
They
Big
need
up Diamond.
retirement.